Hello bawb, hello all, sut ydych chi, how are you? Never has this question felt more poignant. Nid yw'r cwestiwn hwn erioed wedi teimlo fwy ungol. Wrth i ni ddechrau ein seithfed wythnos o glo i lawr, mae'n anodd credu'r bywyd gaethon ni o'r blaen, a faint dyn ni wedi addasu mewn cyfnod mor fur. We're now in our 7th week of lockdown. It's hard to believe the life we had before and how much we have adapted in such a short time. This new way of life has presented us with many challenges and opportunities too. Mae'r ffordd newydd hon o fyw wedi cyflwyno sawl her i ni a chyfleoedd hefyd. Hoffwn i ddweud diolch yn fawr iawn i chi gyd, ein staff, ein dysgwyr, ein cenhennau, partneriaid, aelodau, gwyfoddolwyr a llywodraethwyr. I want to say a big thank you to our staff, our learners, our branches, partners, members, volunteers and governors. Thank you for everything you're doing to ensure we continue to offer learning activities and support across much of our provision. Yn anffodus, dyn ni wedi cael cyrsiau hwyneb i wyneb ar hyn o bryd, ond dyn ni yn dal yma fel coleg cymunedol i chi. Regrettably, we have, of course, stopped all our face-to-face contact in community venues and workplaces several weeks ago, but through our collective efforts as the National Community College, we have been able to move to an online offer which is reaching many of our learners. Dyn ni wedi cyrraedd rhai dysgwyr, ond hoffwn i wneud mwy a chyrraedd llawer o ddysgwyr. But of course we want to do more and reach more of our learners as quickly as possible. Mae'r gwaith hwn yn parhau wrth i ni ddatblygu mwy a mwy o gyrsiau i alluogi dysgwyr ledled Cymru i barhau eu hastudiaethau. We're working hard to create more courses online so that many more learners can benefit from our online offer. We're also acutely aware of the difficulties some learners face in having the right equipment and network connection to access online provision. Dyn ni'n chwilio am ffyrdd i helpu pobl. We're also actively pursuing funding opportunities and trying to get more support from Welsh Government to help us. Mae'n bwysig iawn i ni wneud hyn cyn gynted â'r phosib mwyn helpu pob un sydd eisiau astudio lein. Our curriculum teams are doing incredible work to keep in touch with many of our learners and partners, developing ways to reach out using the technologies available to them. Not only that, many of them are volunteering, homeschooling and helping relatives and friends at this time. We have such a fantastic team gwych iawn. Diolch yn fawr i chi gyd, mae llawer wedi digwydd ac mae ychydig o storiau newyddion da wedi dod mewn. Os oes stori newyddion gyda chi, cysylltwch â ni. We want to hear from you with your good news stories. Amazing accounts of amazing people doing great things in their community have been coming in. From helping with the PPE efforts to support local care homes, volunteering for food banks, helping neighbours with shopping. These are just a few examples of the great things going on in our communities. If you have any good news stories you want to share with us, please get in touch. We'd love to hear you. Please click on the links at the end of this message and let us know what you've been doing during lockdown. Also, for the latest information about our courses and activities, why not sign up for our social media messaging and check our website where you'll find lots of great stuff. Byddwn ni parhau i roi gwybodaeth trwy'r wefan a cyfryngau cymdeithasol, felly cadwch eich llygaid allan ar gyfer datblygiadau pellach. Diolch yn fawr iawn i chi gyd eto. Thank you all again for everything you're doing. Edrych ymlaen at weld chi yn fuan. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Cadwch yn ddiogel. Stay safe and well. Hwyl fawr.